Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today I'll teach you about printing the table of your choice in descending order. And here we will use for loop and while loop. So let's begin the coding. First I'm going to initialize the variable by the name of I and n. After that I'm gonna take output from the user, enter the number, and this backslash n is the escape sequence which is for the next line. Scanf is basically for the input, and this %d is basically the format specifier where we are specifying the format in the integer. For integer we are using %d, and this is the address operator which we will assign to n. So first of all I am going to use for loop. After that I'll teach you about while loop. This \t %d is basically the format specifier, and this \t is the escape sequence which is for the tab. So friends, I've typed the code and let's compile it, and if there will be an error so we will resolve that. There is an error, let's check. Oh, printf, it's not a big issue, let me check it again. Okay, let me run that again. There isn't any error. Suppose I've entered for 1 minute. Now let's recompile. There was not, the answer was not appropriate. Now let's check. Enter the number for table and it's 5. Now it's on next line. You can check that here I've used \n, which I said that for new line, and there are spaces which I mentioned \c is for the tab, and you can see that the table of 5 is printed in descending order. That's not only the 5 table, the table of your choice, whatever you want you can print that. Suppose I want the table of 4 to be printed, so see. So whatever the table of your choice you can use, or the according to your want. Now as I said that after that I'll teach you about while loops. So there's not a big difference, just we need to make changes over here. First of all we need to initialize the variable, as we know that in while loop we have to initialize the variable first. After that I'm going to use the while statement. Now this will be remain the same as I used in for loop. And here we will decrement it here. Now let's recompile it. This time I'm going to print the table of 9. So you can see the output. 9 tens are 90, 9 nines are 81, and the same is in descending order. So I hope it's clear. If you have any query or you want to ask something else about C programming language, so do comment it, and thank you for watching.